Hey, what's up guys? I did a video about a week ago on these Renew and Restore wipes. These are the ones from Costco. Now I think in the video I said they were like $24 or something. Turns out it was way off. They're like $9 for a pack of 12 is $9. So they're less than $1 a wipe. Technically they're 75 cents a wipe. 9 divided by 12 would be 75 cents. They're the Renew and Restore wipes. It doesn't come with, now these aren't the ones, I know there's a version that has the clear coat wipes or like the ceramic coating wipes, but these are not those. But this should, in theory, get most of this off. Now I did it on my Lexus, if you want to show them this Lexus right here. I did it on this headlight on the Lexus, and it was already really clean because I keep my headlights clean. But the owner of this truck is very careless and then lets their headlights get really messed up. Okay, now we're gonna unfold the wipe. Gloves, definite. You don't want to get this on your skin probably. And there is a mild abrasive in here. I think that's what does a lot of the cleaning. We're gonna throw it on here and just see how much one wipe gets us, how much cleaning it does. You wanna get up close on that? And I'm just kind of making little patterns. Would you say they're yellowed or just hazy? Yeah, they're just hazy. They're not really like yellowed or anything. And that's something I knew before I asked a question, you know.
Does it suck to be colorblind?
That's funny. It's a hate crime. You can see some of it coming off just there. I'm gonna keep on going at it. And I probably won't do swirl marks. I'll go straight up and down and then straight across like that. And just see, she probably got a towel too. Okay, got towels. I'm gonna clean off this spot that we just washed and see just, I mean, yeah, that's definitely a difference just from that. Let's keep on going. You get a fresh one. The cool thing is they're like 75 cents, so you can just kind of run through them. And ideally you're supposed to clean these headlights off, like with like alcohol wipe or something, but we're just winging it, seeing what we can get done. It definitely looked better to me on the inside. Do you know, I mean, you know better than me. Did it look better on the inside where I was doing it at? To you?
Better on the inside?
Like to here where I was doing it? Like when I wiped it off with the towel?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Yeah, compare them. Okay, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna use a third wipe and really get, see, this is stuff we should have cleaned off. This is a snot rocket. The previous owner did a snot rocket, and instead of using a Kleenex, they did a snot rocket on the headlight. So this is something I can clean up. Unless that's red. Is that red?
No, I think it's just a bug.
Actually, this might clean it up. It's got abrasives in it. It's like one of those magic erasers. Yeah, it does kind of clean it up. Okay. This is the second one, right? Yeah. We'll do one more. Yeah, we could do two more if we wanted. But if you compare this to the other headlight, it looks better. Objectively.
Like tomorrow, is it gonna look just like the other headlight?
No. So if we compare this to the before and after this headlight, you can see the difference. It's definitely clear, 100%. And then if you compare it to the other headlight, it's way different. Okay, so I don't know what kind of deal you get like anywhere else, but Costco, this is $9.99 right now for these headlight wipes. $9.99 is a good deal for these for sure. I thought they were $24.99 in the last video. I said it was worth it, and $9.99 is like almost a third of that. So yeah, they're great. It's not a huge difference. It's not night and day. You're not gonna have crystal clear headlights from something like that probably, but this is definitely way better than the other headlight and what it was before. So just want to give you guys another review on it. And then also chrome, like this is chrome. This will clean chrome really well. Like I did on the Mercedes. If you look here, It cleans the chrome and like shines it up really nice actually. It gets all the water spots off of chrome, which is cool. So you see that shiny spot on the chrome and then all the dirty stuff? It's pretty cool what it does for chrome too. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye.